Namaskar. Today we'll touch a very important medical condition which is seen in young children across the world, and we'll try to see what is the prognosis or the scope of improvement using homeopathy for them. This condition is called autism. Autism is also known as autism spectrum disorder, ASD. My name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a medically trained homeopath and I am a director of Life Force, where we treat patients of all kinds of chronic and recurring diseases from all over the world. Autism in last 2 decades has become so common, and unfortunately, it is increasing in many parts of the world. It is observed that these children, they have developmental disorder, which is observed from the age of around say 1 year or so, as young as 1 year. And we see these children, they tend to remain with themselves. They have communication problem. They do not have eye contact with people around. They have speech delay. They may not speak enough number of words at the right time. They may have other cognitive symptoms, social withdrawal, inability to follow the commands. And this developmental disorder is a serious matter because they have difficulty relating with people in the school, in the society, in the families. And this becomes really a difficult situation for the parents as well. At Life Force, we have documented over 400 cases of autism or autistic spectrum disorder. And I would like to say that homeopathy may not miraculously cure the cases of autism, but homeopathy has definitely things to offer for the treatment of autism. Autism is such a condition which is not fully understood yet, and it cannot be treated by any single mode of therapy. No single medicine in conventional medicine or anywhere else which can really handle this condition. You require mix of modalities, various forms of treatment and supportive therapies to handle the cases of autism. You require homeopathy as a medical therapy. In addition to that, the child may require occupational therapy, speech therapy, group therapy, and so on. All put together will bring definite improvement in the cases of autism. In addition to the medicines, one has to also observe that certain dietary changes are made for the child. A gluten-free diet should be tried for every child having autism. At the same time, dairy-free diet also should be tried. It's better and advisable to stop milk for children who might be having autism, because the milk tends to contain many hormones and many antibiotics as well, which the animals are fed with, and that may eventually affect the growth of the child. Homeopathy is strongly recommended for all cases of autism. Even if the child is on some medication, you can still use homeopathy as additional treatment. The treatment duration for autism is quite long, unfortunately. It may be from 2 years or longer, and over the period of time, one has to see that incremental improvement in the growth of the child. I hope this video helps, especially the parents whose children may have autistic spectrum disorder, and also it will help the medical students and the practitioners. Thank you very much.